Okay, this is cause numbers 22-39100 and 22-39101. Are you Letitia Tebow?
Mm-hmm.
And Ms. Tebow is currently on probation for failure to comply with sex offender registration in each of these cases. I looked this up. I think there may be, and Ms. Simon's here, this update report says 2 10-year adjudicated probations, but it was a 2-year term.
It was 2 over 5.
2 TDC over 5, correct?
Excuse me, I'm sorry, that was an error.
Okay, just making sure. And so Ms. Tebow was previously here, entered pleas of true to counts 2 and 4 in the motion to revoke probation. And I've received the updated pre-sentence report. Have you all received that updated report?
State has to.
Any additions or corrections to that other than the one that I already made?
None for the state. Nothing but that.
And there was no agreement. Is there any evidence with regard to the other counts, Mr. Hoffpower?
Any new failed to register.
No. I don't know. She pled true to counts 2 and 4, so there's obviously some other counts. Do you have any witnesses or evidence with regard to those other counts?
We're going to full abandon those counts. We'll just proceed on 2 and 4.
Okay.
Other than I call my probation officer, but I like her opinion.
Okay, so I guess there was an arrest in
It's in Florida.
Palatka, Florida. Okay. Hold on a second. Let me. Okay, so count 1. Why don't you have any evidence with regard to count 1 if your probation officer's here?
We can call. I'm sorry. Apologize.
Listen up, this isn't a typical courtroom story. It's a clash of fear, consequences, and the chance to start over. Reagan Howard stands before the judge, not just as a defendant, but as a young woman facing a system that rarely offers second chances. The charge? Reckless conduct with a firearm. The result? 6 years of deferred probation, a sentence disguised as freedom. One misstep and everything falls apart. The judge's words cut through the room like steel, warning Reagan that excuses are gone and discipline is her only lifeline. This isn't just a legal fight, it's an inner battle for responsibility and survival. The question remains, can she rise above her past, or will it pull her under?
Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. You may proceed.
Please take the name for the record.
Sarah Simon.
I'm a son of the probation officer, assigned to Ms. Tebow.
I am.
Okay, and how long have you been first supervision officer?
1.5 years.
Okay, and throughout the time that you've been a probation officer, has you complied with the terms of her condition? Either one of the cases.
Speak up, please. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, she has not.
She's not.
Yeah, okay, in what instances has she not complied?
Tebow has had consistent reporting habits. She was not paid towards her SSPs. She's actually in
Was she allowed, first of all, was she allowed through her probation in Texas to venture out of the state and be in Florida?
She was not.
Okay, she wasn't allowed?
She was not allowed.
Is she allowed through her reporting as a sex offender to move or go to another state and have no probation? Is she allowed to leave the state?
No, without.
She pled true to that. Count 1 is that she has not reported since January 27th of 2025.
Is that true, ma'am?
That is true.
Intermittently, or she is fully, she's been called absconder?
She is absconded.
Okay, since that day?
Yes. Or 90 days after that time in January, she became absconded.
She's been absconder. Okay, and since she reported since the time on which she was arrested?
She has not reported.
Have you spoken to her at the jail?
At the jail.
All right, did she give a reason for why she didn't report?
She did not.
At this time, I'll pass it on.
Okay. I also would like to know, Ms. Simon, were you able to confirm in any way the arrest? Obviously,
The defense paints a picture of struggle, describing Reagan's fight with depression and her escape into drugs and alcohol. But probation isn't swayed by medical charts or emotional pleas. It's a contract: follow the rules or face the consequences. Reagan had a path: rehab, treatment, a chance to rebuild. Instead, she avoided help and kept digging the hole deeper with every choice. Her lawyer's voice trembles with compassion, but even he knows mental health doesn't erase responsibility. The judge listens, expression cold and steady, unmoved by appeals for mercy. The room holds no sympathy, only the hard truth. Reagan broke the deal.
She's going to say she didn't do it, and that's okay, but if she was actually just, whether an arrest happened in Florida.
Yes, I did obtain an arrest report from Florida.
PC, okay. But do you have a problem cause, do you have a full offense?
The full officer.
Okay, for what crime was the arrest report?
There's two, I think one was petite theft and then obstruction by disguise first.
Okay. It was all the same incident?
Yes.
And what date did that occur, according to the law?
June 29th, 2025.
And were both those committed?
Objection as far as committed, Your Honor. I don't object to her listing evidence as far as an arrest. but
An
As far
arrest.
as the actual commission, it would violate a right to free cross.
Did the allegation occur?
Yeah, the arrest.
The arrest occurred while she was on probation.
Kelly, this just did something again.
Case.
Correct.
And those haven't been resolved to your knowledge?
Not now.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
She initially failed to report in January, is that right, of 2025?
That was the last face-to-face contact I had.
January 2025. Then arrest June 29th of 2025.
Yes.
So February, March, April, May, June, 5 failures to report. And she went into absconder status March of 2025?
Maybe April.
April.
Like 90 days after.
90, so April 2025, she became an absconder. 2 months after that, she was arrested in Florida, is that right?
Right.
So you were aware she was in Florida, which day, when were you made aware that she was in custody in Florida?
I received a phone call from somebody.
Now it's Reagan's turn, and fear finally cracks through. Her voice shakes as she admits the truth. She was terrified. Terrified of the treatment program, terrified of confronting her demons. She thought she could delay, maybe outsmart the system. But reality doesn't deal in excuses, and prison doesn't wait. Reagan owns her mistakes, but fear doesn't erase consequences. The judge leans in, eyes unwavering, and delivers the final line: probation or prison, no middle ground. Reagan stands there, trembling, forced to face the truth that brought her here.
Let me know that she was arrested and in jail in Florida. And then that's when I obtained this arrest report.
So when there was an MTRP entered into NCIC, I guess, after April. Was there an MTRP, and that's why Florida advised you there was an active warrant for her then?
There was an active warrant for the MTRP. She was arrested for the.
Right, and that warrant popped up in June in Florida.
Correct.
So from June 29th to today, she's been in custody, is that right? So
I
she
didn't try to
couldn't
open
report
anything, it
it
just started doing stuff
to
on its
probation
own.
department. She's in custody from June 29th to today because she's locked up. That's not her fault that she didn't report. She's in custody, correct? So she can't report.
Correct.
As far as supervising her, she has reported, you say inconsistently, but that means she has reported some, correct?
Correct.
During the times that she has reported, have you been able to interact with her appropriately? She maintained proper demeanor, that type of thing?
She was, yes, but she was consistently late. I had to reschedule her several different times to get her out of the office.
Have you had any other difficulties with her as far as just maybe perhaps being late or scheduling, as far as your actual interactions with her? Does she maintain appropriate demeanor, acted appropriately with you?
Yes.
Would you object to continuing to supervise her?
I would.
Why is that?
My personal opinion, I don't think it's too close. She's for probation as a priority. She has been on probation, I think, since 2022 and has made no progress in regards to her fees. She did some community service